Okay, he wants knight g5. It's a bit annoying. Can't really go h4 because he... Okay, let's go king g3 then. My nose looks like a rook. Never thought about that, but now that you're saying it, makes sense. Yeah, he's gonna go knight e4 and we're gonna... Oh, really? He just goes back? Okay, let's bring my rook to a protected square. Can't unsee the rook now. No, exactly. Arnish says I look like a Muppet. Now that, however, I have heard before. King of 3. Oh, c5, was that his point? That went me house over, as we say in Norwegian. No, it went me house past. I'm still much better though. Yeah, this is not so easy. Okay, let's move the bishop. I'm not so happy with the way that I played this. I do have some tricks though. Knight d6, that's kind of what I was hoping for. Sorry, bishop d6, that should be. Maybe I don't have a lot there. Takes an e2. Then I got g6. Then, yeah, maybe that's not a lot. Do I have anything else? Got knight g4 as well. But then he has bishop e7 later on. Don't know actually how much there. Problem is, however, I capture on e2. He has counterplay. Okay, let's just go knight g4 then. That isn't much though. Ugh, annoying. Really kind of annoying. Okay, let's just go knight e2. Now this should be... It's probably pretty drawish now, I would say. f6 doesn't give anything. Okay, let's try and trade instead. Bishop c3. I mean, don't get me wrong. I am still much better here, but winning is not easy at all. Probably have to trade now. Yeah, this is not easy. I was hoping for some kind of weird blunder there, but obviously it didn't. Bishop f4, yeah, that's a good move. Objectively, my winning chances here are slim to none. Doesn't mean I'll stop trying though. No, this is nothing. Oh, he trades this way? Really? Oh, my pawn is running. Okay, let's take. Bring the bishop back. Don't like moving the king over there, but I have to retain the pawn if I am going to have any chance of winning. I'm not sure he should have brought his king to such a passive square. Now I believe I have chances. Maybe I shouldn't have pushed the pawn. I don't know. Is bishop c6 now? Yeah, this is drawn. Almost certainly. Oh, nice. He can just go back. Yep, draw. That's disappointing. No. Okay, take the pawn. Come on. Okay.